I'm 75 years old, and I'm a retired partner from the accounting firm of KPMG. I've been a patient of Dr. Lemmo for many years as a chiropractor, and over a number of years I was developing what they now tell me is cerebellar ataxia, or vertigo. And what it gradually meant was that my gait and balance was deteriorating, and it's degenerative, unfortunately. Anyway, it was getting to the point where my walking was really bad. As Dr. Lemmo says, you're bouncing off the walls. I found that I was getting much more difficult to write, and even more embarrassing, my waterworks department was starting to pack up.
His walking was appalling, and he was forever dodging in and out of every washroom he could find. And I was loading the trunk of the car, and because his balance was off, he put his hand on the trunk lid to steady himself and brought it down on my head. Well, that was a catalyst. So from then on I said, okay, now you've got to go to the doctor and have this looked into. Well, after parading to doctors and neurologists and CAT scans and MRIs and urologists and you name it, finally, the only person who could help him was Dr. Lemmo.
I knew he was trying to get into this practice, and we talked about it over a number of months. And at the beginning of the year, I sort of bit the bullet and said, okay, let's see what we can do, because I was fairly skeptical about this. And from there, he's been able to reprogram my brain, which sounds pretty interesting. So that my gait, it's not wonderful, but it works now. I can actually write a bit, not that I could write much before. And the waterworks department, I'm glad to say, is pretty good. So that's one embarrassment which has basically gone away. His treatments are quite remarkable. There's no drugs, no invasive treatments, and he's very relaxed about it. Doesn't even beat me up when I don't do the exercises quite as well as I should. But the main thing is they're all very simple, and it doesn't take you a lot of time to do them. And I'm absolutely thrilled with what's happened. I mean, the world needs to know what this guy can do. It really does.